I'm here with Charlotte, a Kenyan female. And Charlotte, I want to know, the people want to know. Black guy, white guy, mixed guy. What's your preference?
Of course, white guy.
Why white guy? Why?
Because they're caring, they have the sense of humor, they're provider, you know. Just few, they're arrogant, but most of them, they are kind people, not like the African style.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's one female's opinion. And we're gonna move on to the next. This is Emma.
Yeah, this is Emma.
And you are?
This is Joy.
So go ahead. You don't have a preference for black, white, or
I
mixed?
don't have preference on skin color. Yeah, because that is extremely basic, extremely shallow. So I would look for, we were talking about intelligence a few minutes ago. And right now where I'm at, I would look for a man who's emotionally intelligent. Because at the end of the relationships do come to an end. Yeah, for whatever reason.
Yeah.
It could be death.
Hopefully not always.
Yeah, no, but it could be death. It will still come to an end.
Yeah.
For example, or it could be a breakup.
Yeah.
So with breakups, they become very messy at the end. If you're not with an emotionally intelligent person, it really becomes messy. That's basically my pick.
It becomes a mental health issue at this point, you know. So personally, for me, as I was saying, I want a man I can have different conversations with, you know, and I don't have a preference when it comes to color. I just want someone I have good chemistry with, a respectful man, someone who will just bring value to the table, I mean, you know. Yeah, so that's just my preference.
So that's Joy. This is Emma. One from Nairobi, one from Diani. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Charlotte. And this is?
Tamara.
Charlotte. Black, white, or mixed guys? Which one you like best?
White.
Why white?
On bed, some.
What? You naughty girl.
They're foreigners, so like, yeah, we're used to black, so prefer the other.
Okay. What about you?
White.
Why?
Cause I don't want to have someone the same color as mine. I'm not trying to be racist or anything. But it's about the culture. We have some sort of culture as black people, and I don't like it. I don't like it, so I prefer changing.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I have a question for you. White, black, or mixed guys? What's your preference?
White or black?
Or mixed?
Mixed.
Why?
Because I like them.
You think they're sexier when they're mixed?
I like them because I know they're sexy.
Oh, so you like mixed guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also like white guys too.
So it's a physical preference. You find them sexy when they're mixed. Okay. Is it the texture of their hair? The mixture of the skin tone? What is it?
I think physically, how they're fit, and their skin tone too.
Okay. Here with Dr. Fifi. Fifi, answer us the following question. Black guys, white guys, or mixed guys? Hit me with the answer.
What's my preference?
Yes.
To date?
To date, to marry, whatever.
Okay. I would say mostly it goes to, I will not say directly like a specific race. It depends on an individual person, how they treat me. But from my personal experience, maybe someone who appreciates a lady, they know how to respect that person and how to appreciate them, you know, and not the woman, because I guess a man is supposed to be like a provider and the head, and then the woman is supposed to support. So
So I would say from my experience, I've had a good one with a white guy.
So, let me get this straight.
Yeah.
You know, your preference is based on character, not on looks.
Yes, I think, I say it's not specifically on race, it's about a person. And the person who treated me best, I've had a black guy as a boyfriend. I've dated one for a long time. And another long-term relationship with a white guy. So if I compare the two, I had a better experience with the white one because he appreciated me as a human much more than the black guy who is, I'm black. My brothers, my dad, my kid, maybe is black, but we try to...
Really? I would have never told.
No, I'm black, you can see. You can see. It's not like I hate my own race, I don't. But from my own experience, well, maybe the black guy dropped the ball, I don't know. But it doesn't mean all black guys are like that. Because, for example, my dad has a very good marriage with my mom. I'm hoping to get something like that someday.
There you have a very smart response from Dr.
Fifi.
So I'm in Kisumu, and this is Millie.
Hi guys, Millie here.
Okay, the question is, question of the day. You ready? All right.
Not sure about it, yeah.
Black, white, mixed guys. What's your preference?
Since I'm a plus size woman, I like black.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the reason?
Another reason, I don't know. Yeah, that's the reason.
Okay.
Just like black.
All right. No problem with that. Black, white, or mixed guys. What's your preference?
Sorry?
Black, white, or mixed guys. What's your preference?
White.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm dark, and so I wouldn't want dark colors for myself.
Oh, you want to have a mixed child?
Yes.
Like Obama?
Yes.
Because you're a Luo,
Because
like
I'm
his
a-
father.
Yeah, I'm a Luo. And I'm
So you
proud
want
of
to give the
that.
next American president,
Yes.
the next Luo American president.
Of course, yes.
Alright, no problem representing with that. So here we have Lavender. Question.
Okay.
I haven't told you what the question is, correct?
Yeah.
Alright. Black guys, white guys, or mixed guys? What's your preference?
Me, I'd go for white guys because I have a white guy and they are not so arrogant like blacks and they don't brag and they are so romantic too. White guys are so romantic and they know how to treat women.
Okay.
They respect women. They are so caring. Yeah, I'd go for white guys.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay.
So this is Salia. So the question is, white guys, black guys, or mixed? What's your preference?
White guys.
Why? Any particular reason why you like white guys?
I just like them.
Is it because of their character? Is it because of their looks? What? What in particular?
Their color.
Oh, you like the difference in the shades. Everybody got their preference.